It's Aaron from ABR Creations. In our last tutorial, we learned how to make the half double crochet. In this tutorial, we are going to advance it up even more and learn two types of stitches, the triple or the treble crochet stitch and the half treble crochet stitch. Let's get started. Okay, so to make the triple crochet or the treble crochet, we'll make a slip knot. Okay. And we'll chain 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Okay, for row 1 we'll skip the first chain, yarn over twice and insert your hook into the second chain from our hook. Okay, and pull up a loop. You should have 4 loops in total on your crochet hook. Then yarn over and pull it through 2 loops only. You should have 3 loops. Then you should have 3 loops on your hook. Yarn over and pull it through 2 loops again. Then yarn over and pull it through through the remaining 2 loops. This is called the treble or the treble crochet. Then we'll continue by doing the remaining 4 stitches. Okay. That's 1. 2. There's 3 and 4. Okay, so by the end of row 1 you should have at least 5 stitches. You should have 5 stitches. Then we'll cut our yarn. Sorry. Chain 1 and pull it all the way through. Congratulations! You have now learned to make the triple or the treble crochet stitch. So let's start by doing the half treble crochet. Again, we'll make a slip knot. Make a slip knot. Oopsie. And chain 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. For row 1, we'll skip the first chain. Yarn over twice and insert your hook into the second chain from your hook loop. You should have 4 loops on your crochet hook. Then yarn over and pull it through 2 loops only, having 3 loops on your crochet hook. Then yarn over and instead of pulling it through 2 loops, pull it through all 3 loops. This is called the half triple crochet, and we'll finish off by half triple crocheting in the remaining 4 stitches. So this is very easy to do. Once you get the hang of it, it's pretty easy. So let's do 3 and over twice. 2, 3, over, insert your hook, pull through 2 and pull through 3. There you go. So by the end of row 1 you should have 5 stitches. Then again cut your yarn, chain 1 and pull it all the way through. Congratulations, crocheters! You have now learned how to make the triple or the treble crochet and the half triple crochet or the half treble crochet stitch.